If you're into Claude Code like me, you probably heard all the hype around Cowork. Well, as soon as I heard it, I was really excited to find out what it's all about. So, couldn't wait to get it loaded. Didn't load on my iMac very well, but on my MacBook it did. So here's what it looks like. Up on the top left hand corner, when you load Claude on your desktop, on your Mac, on your MacBook, or whatever, you'll see here the update to the latest version, incidentally. So check for updates. It should show that there's an update due. Once you do that, you'll see Cowork appearing here. If it doesn't appear, there's some kind of glitch or bug. Like I said, my iMac, it doesn't show up, but on my MacBook it does. The regular Claude, I've got Claude Code, which I love working with. Really enjoyable interface, but better again, you could say, from certain respects, is Cowork. And I'm going to be digging into this tomorrow. And Friday's workshop will be all about Claude on the desktop, and in particular Cowork. Now, realize not everybody has the max plan, but I chose to get stuck in and fork out the 90 quid a month. That's ex VAT, because I saw the value in it. So anyway, I've got Cowork. I'm going to be showing you what that's all about and doing some experimentation with it, and looking forward to doing so. In the meantime, if you're not already on Gen AI Skills Academy, there's a link below this video. Click on it and I'll see you there. That's where I'll be sharing most of this stuff. All right, see you later.